The Smart Fingerprint Door Lock offers a seamless keyless entry experience with its advanced biometric technology, allowing users to unlock doors effortlessly using their unique fingerprint. Equipped with a versatile 4-in-1 system, this smart door lock caters to various needs with its different operational modes including passage, normal, privacy, and silent modes. The accompanying mobile application enhances convenience by enabling users to manage fingerprints, monitor access logs, and share access with family members within Bluetooth range. With a built-in rechargeable battery that lasts up to 1 year, the door lock provides reliable security without frequent recharging, and it can be easily charged via USB Type-C. The lock's straightforward installation process ensures that it can be set up quickly using just a screwdriver, making it suitable for homes, apartments, and rental properties like Airbnb. Its sleek matte black design not only adds a modern touch to any door, but also ensures durability and longevity, making it a worthwhile investment for enhanced home security.